This is A.
A.
A is a two-faced sound. We make it by moving our mouth from an E shape to an I shape, like this.
A.
A goes into words like baby, game, play, and train. A doesn't have one favourite letter. A likes to go into lots of letters. In some words, A goes into AI, like train. In some words, A goes into AY, like play, or EY, like grey. And in some words, A likes to go into letter A. After all, they have got the same name. But A isn't greedy. Lots of other sounds like letter A, and A shares with all of them.